You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. To remove the air filter, you must first remove the airbox. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, start by unscrewing the screw holding the air inlet conduit. You can then disengage the conduit from the airbox by pulling on it. With a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, remove the holding screws on the airbox. You can now lift the back of the airbox, which will give you access to the small breather conduit so that you can remove it. Lift the airbox completely and remove the second hose by wiggling it back and forth. Remove the airbox. To open the airbox, you have to remove the 6 flange retaining screws. With a socket wrench and a 7mm socket, unscrew the flange. Don't try to take them out, they stay in their housing even if they're not fixed in. Open the flange. Take out the air filter.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the filter in the flange. Then screw the 6 retaining screws back in. Reinstall the hoses. Put the airbox back in its housing, then clip it in place by pushing down on it. Now screw the 2 retaining screws back in. Reinsert the air inlet conduit into the airbox and finish by screwing the retaining screws for the conduit back in. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.